Breaking news in the crypto world, Tether, the powerhouse behind USDT, is doubling down on Bitcoin. With over 75,000 Bitcoins worth $5 billion, Tether's strategic investment signals a bullish stance on the world's leading cryptocurrency. Will this move pave the way for further market dominance? Stay tuned for the updates. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and let's start. So, starting off with breaking, 16,290 Bitcoins were taken off the Coinbase Pro today. Available Bitcoin supply is running out slowly, it's running out, and we are going to see when everybody will want the Bitcoin, there will be no available Bitcoin and price will skyrocket to millions. I had sold my Bitcoin for USD. Inflation is good, deflation is bad. When the cost of living rises, we all are all better off. Money needs to be centrally controlled and issued to work. Bitcoiners were wrong all along, still with it. Also, Bitcoin hash rate has tripled since the last all-time high. Despite its price remaining the same, price is yet to follow the fundamentals. And on this chart, we could basically see it. All the way, by the way, about the previous post we saw, it was the April Fool. Just so you know, if someone thinks that it was real, it was not. Also, here we go. Financial planning firm Burkett Financial Services reported owning 602 shares of the BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF as of March 31st. This kicks off what is expected to be huge months of SEC filings by firms that own Bitcoin ETFs. Also confirmed that Bitcoin is going to $1 million, and this one is not an April Fool. And here we could see Jim Cramer saying there's no way Bitcoin is going to $1 million. So this one is April Fool because Bitcoin is going to $1 million. When you see Jim Cramer saying something, you should go the other way. Breaking news, Qatar buys the 250,000 Bitcoin for $17.5 billion. Another April Fool, but it would be really nice to see confirmed news about it. Get to 1 Bitcoin, and this is not an April Fool's joke. It's a trending sideways. This may be your last chance before we start pricing out low single-digit millionaires. This is your last chance. This is it. No joke. That's what you should understand. Also, leverage longs wrecked. Love to see it. Stop gambling for short-term profits. You will miss out on the long-term revaluation, and that's what you should understand. When you're playing with money and gambling it, you're losing. But I'm not saying that people should not gamble, because that's how the price of Bitcoin builds, because of the gamblers and those people who getting liquidated. All I'm saying that you are not supposed to be the one. You're supposed to be smart. Let that dumb money increase the price of Bitcoin, but you are not supposed to be the one. And here we could see that 1 hour it was $12 million of longs, with $2 million of shorts. 4 hours racked $16 million of long, $4 million of shorts. 12 hours $32 million of longs, shorts 7.5 million, and at 24 hours we've liquidated 36 million of longs and 19 million of short positions. That's what we have. Also, this is how the Bitcoin mining difficulty looks. Supply shock incoming, as less coins being produced, the more miners will try hard, and the less coins will be produced, and the price will increase more and more. Tether now holds over $5 billion worth of Bitcoin to back USDT. Stablecoin giant Tether added even more Bitcoin to its balance sheet in Q1 and now holds over $5.1 billion worth of assets. Stablecoin issuer Tether now holds over $5 billion worth of Bitcoin according to public blockchain data. Arkham Intelligence data, which tracked the crypto giant's wallet, reveals that the company now holds over 75,000 Bitcoins worth of more than $5.1 billion as of writing. After the firm bought 8,889 Bitcoin in the first quarter of this year, Tether is the company behind the third biggest cryptocurrency by market cap, USDT. The company is one of the biggest Bitcoin holders and has set its strategies to keep buying the largest digital asset by market cap. Tether said last year that it would regularly allocate up to 15% of its net realized operating profits towards purchasing Bitcoin, as the idea is to use the asset to hold in the reserves it uses uses to back its stablecoin. The stablecoin, a digital coin backed by US dollars or other real-world assets, is the backbone of the crypto economy, and it's widely used by traders for buying and selling digital assets and has a much higher 24-hour tradable mark than Bitcoin, as Tether is a somewhat controversial company, and in the past it has been criticized for not being transparent enough about what backs USDT, and news reports have claimed the cryptocurrency is used to break the law. Though that allegations isn't unique to USDT. The price of Bitcoin is now below $69,000 per coin, having dropped nearly 3% in the past day, as CoinGecko data shows that the asset is now priced at $68,500, grew up even more from that, and it's up back to the $69,500 at the moment of writing this video. Jim Cramer just rattled Bitcoin hodlers with a cryptic post. So could Bitcoin be the subject of Jim Cramer's post? The Mad Money host has not had anything positive to say about Bitcoin for a very long time except to bash the coin. Now his recent overbought cryptic statement comes as Bitcoin registers 7 consecutive months on the positive side of the chart for the first time since 2012 and closes a monthly candle above the peak of the previous cycle. And he said, coming in the most overbought we've been in a while, better seller than buyer. Bitcoin is currently trading at 69,000 with a 3% slump in the last 24 hours. This market price is far cry from where the coin was in March, when the leading cryptocurrency by market capitalization had previously climbed as high as 73,000. There are even speculations from analysts that the price of Bitcoin may further slip down to 63,000, as with the price about 10% lower than the all-time high. Cramer could be implying that it's better to be a Bitcoin seller now than a buyer, as he cited that the market is currently the most overbought it has been in a while. So many crypto enthusiasts are still trying to decipher if this is just another April Fool's joke or one of Cramer's contrarian indicators. This is one of Cramer's contrarian indicators. That's 1000% he's not making jokes here. He seems to be completely serious about his stuff he's saying, but all I'm saying that we all understand that this is a complete joke and he's just being a stupid person. Bitcoin grows mirroring stock indices. Noteworthy, Bespoke Investment Group recently discussed the appearance of overbought signals across all index-based exchange-traded funds in the United States. A clear example is seen with the S&P 500 index, which tracks the performance of major companies listed on the US stock exchanges. This index recorded another all-time high of the year that caused it move to 5,250, as this means that it has gone up by 22% over the past 6 months alone. And even though it had attained its most overbought level since December 2020, the benchmark index kept surging, as with the launch of spot Bitcoin ETFs, Bitcoin broke its long-standing correlation with the tech stock last year. As therefore, there is a very high tendency that the largest cryptocurrency might be more inclined to mirror major stock market indices. This also means that a stock market correction is likely to positively trigger the largest cryptocurrency. Looking at the Bitcoin so far, we're back to 69,700 at the moment, 2% down from the 24 hours high of $71,000, and the traded volume went up to 35 billion, back to 83% increase. As of now, at a 7-day chart, it's not the highest traded volume and it's not the lowest price, as we're in a really great position of our consolidation phase. That's all the information we got for today on Bitcoin, so don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one, and peace.